How Trimex can protect themselves from potential threats posed by Google dorking. Securing a college or any organization against the risks associated with Google dorking, a method that employs advanced search techniques to locate confidential information online, is crucial for upholding cybersecurity. Below are several measures that Trimex, colleges, or any educational institution can implement to safeguard themselves from potential Google dorking threats. Educate staffs and students about the risk. Use robot.txt control search engine indexing, keep websites and system update and secure, implement strong access controls and data encryption, regularly monitor presence and data exposure, have an incident response plan in place. How might the combination of steganography and cryptography change the landscape of information security? Discuss the potential advantage and challenges. Combining steganography and cryptography enhances information security by hiding and encrypting data. Advantage include increased privacy and protection, while challenges involve complexity detection and key management. Advantages: improve privacy and secrecy. When steganography and cryptography are combined, data can be both encrypted and concealed within another type of file, like an image or audio file. This dual approach makes it exceptionally challenging for unauthorized individuals to even notice hidden data, let alone decipher it. Defense against data. Steganography conceals the presence of data, while cryptography secures its actual content. This makes it difficult for attackers to steal or manipulate data, even if they somehow detect it. Challenges: complexity. The implementation of both steganography and cryptography can be intricate. Ensuring that both techniques function smoothly together without compromising security is a demanding task that necessitates careful design and testing. Detection. While steganography conceals data, it's not foolproof. Advanced analysis tools and methods can identify steganographic content, potentially leading to further investigations. Key management. Effective management of encryption is vital for cryptography. When used alongside steganography, that management of encryption keys and steganographic techniques can become more challenging, increasing the risk of key exposure. If Caesar cipher is easy, ikakat ko na lang yan, guys. Okay. If Caesar cipher is easily breakable, why do you think it was effective during its initial usage in ancient times? Caesar cipher was effective in ancient times because there were no advanced decryption tools. Many people were not literate and it was used for simple messages. However, it is easily breakable without modern technology.